Anti-WAF bill protest in Kolkata. It's being done after the Friday press. Let's take a look at these pictures with protests breaking out in Kolkata at this point in time. After the regular Friday press, the protests have broken out, and as you can see, the police bandobast as well when it comes to the situation in Kolkata. Pictures are from Kolkata where protests have taken place. We'll be going across to our reporters for more on what is happening on the ground. But ever since the passage of the WAF bill, the new WAF bill, there have been protests that have broken out in different parts of the country. These are pictures, and we'll go back to them, of protests at this point in time. Remember, it's also been challenged in the Supreme Court of the country already. I'm going to go back to my colleague Indrajit Kundu, getting in more on that story. Indrajit, protests have broken out in Kolkata, I understand. Tell us, what do you see around you, and what about the police bandobast there?
Well, Sneha, you can see behind me massive police arrangement here in Kolkata. This is the same location, Sneha, you would remember, where there were major protests that took place last Friday after the Friday namaz. Massive police arrangement here by the Kolkata police at the Park Circus crossing, a very, very busy 7-road intersection in the heart of Kolkata. And, you can see busy traffic there, and then you can also see the police.
I'm just coming back to you in a second from now. On the left side of your screen, pictures are from Kolkata. On your right are pictures coming in from Mumbai, where similar protests are taking place in the Maximum City. Protests against the WAF bill, the WAF law, challenged in the Supreme Court of the country already. Muslims are protesting this after Friday press along expected lines. It's in fact Muslim groups versus the central government. Many of these groups and members of the community are being detained as we speak, even as the matter is pending before the Supreme Court of India in a clutch of petitions that have been admitted by the Apex Court. On your screen, pictures of the protests in Mumbai, and on your left side of your screen are pictures at this point in time coming in from Kolkata, where Indrajit Kundu, my colleague, is with us for the very latest. Pictures are from Mumbai and from Kolkata right now, where the protests have broken out as we speak against the WAF bill. This is the WAF bill, which is in fact already cleared by Parliament, and it's also pending before the Supreme Court of the country by way of a clutch of PILs. In Kolkata is my colleague Indrajit Kundu with us for the very latest. In fact, lots of people there protesting. Indrajit, just tell us what you see around you, what's happening.
Well, this is another protest that has been taken out, this time by students of the Alia University. And you can see this, the police there, as I was showing you, have now stopped them. So there is a barricade. There is a barricade. Police have stopped them, but they have broken the barricade. So protesters have broken the first barricade, and they are moving towards the 5-point crossing. It has been opened. The police has allowed them to go. So, last Friday we'd seen how this entire area was stopped. So this very, very busy intersection at Kolkata's Park Circus, now traffic will be thrown out of gear because the protesters have taken seats. You can see the police barricades have been removed. The police couldn't stop them, and now they have, it seems, yes, the barricades are out on the ground. You can see the barricades.
We have a reaction coming in from AIMIM's Baris Pathan. Listen in.
रिलीजन में इंटरफेरेंस है या संवैधानिक है, संविधान का गला घोटा जा रहा है मोदी सरकार द्वारा। तो हम चाहते हैं कि फौरी तौर से ये कानून वापस लिया जाए। जिस तरह किसान का जो बिल था उसको वापस लिया सरकार ने, तो इस बार मुसलमानों के साथ ऐसा क्यों अन्याय? आंदोलन चलेगा क्या, ऐसा कहा गया है? अरे शाह बानो का नाम तो बिल्किस बानो का क्या किया लोग ने? बिल्किस बानो के कातिलों को छोड़ दिया, वो बलात्कारियों को छोड़ दिया खुली फिजाओं में। जब बेल पर बाहर आए तो उनको आपने हार फूल पिनाए। आप उसकी बात क्यों नहीं करते हो? कानून व्यवस्था क्या मिलेगी?
What
Mumbai and from Kolkata, where there is chaos and which is being seen right now. Well, after the Friday prayers, Muslims are protesting. A section of them are protesting, led by a handful of Muslim groups and political like the AIMIM that you see on your screens at this point in time. Devesh is getting in more from Mumbai at this point in time. Devesh, many of these people have been detained. What do you see around you? Tell us more about the protests that have broken out.
Well, just a while ago, there was a protest at the Hindustani Masjid in Baitala. This protest was staged by MIM leader Waris Pathan, and there are several other people who staged protests. They tied black ribbons to their hands, to their shoulders, and they were protesting against the Waqf Amendment Bill. They were saying that this is an anti-Muslim bill. Many protesters said that government is not listening to their community leaders, and that is why they are staging this protest against. Then this is a constitutional protest. Again, I want to say that the protesters were saying that they want to protest peacefully, and this is a constitutional protest against the Waqf Amendment Bill that has been passed after the Friday prayers, after the Jummah prayers at Hindustani Masjid in Baitala. This protest just happened. There were several others, including Waris Pathan, who have been detained by the police officials. Right now, the situation is peaceful, but there are around 50 to 60 protesters who were filled up in police van and taken to the local police station.
All right, and what about the situation being brought under control? I see that many of them have been detained. If you just can give us a bit of clarity, Devesh Singh, on that.
Well, the situation is under control now. It's peaceful now. There was heavy police deployment. Police officials had an idea that there would be protests by the community after the Friday prayers, and that is why heavy deployment was done at the spot. All measures were taken so that the protests were peaceful, and the protesters were then ended up in they were detained and taken to the local police station. There were 2 to 3 police vans in which the protesters were taken to the local police station. Meanwhile, what are they being booked for? Whether it's an unlawful assembly, that we need to check. But as of now, the protesters have left the spot. They've been detained and taken to the police station. The situation currently is peaceful in Mumbai, in Baitala locality where this protest happened. The protest was led by MIM leader Waris Pathan. He is also being detained, and he said that the bill, Waqf Amendment Bill, is unconstitutional, and that is why they are against this amendment bill. That is why they are...
Okay, I'll come back to you in a moment from now. Devesh getting in those details. Indrajit Kundu with us from Kolkata at this point in time, sending in these pictures. Indrajit, what's the situation there like? Tell us more.
या फिर होम मिनिस्टर का नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है ना? ये देश जो है संविधान से चलेगा. बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद.
So this is the sense that you are getting anger spilling onto the streets of Kolkata, just like last Friday. This Friday too, you can see the busy Park Circus intersection in Kolkata, the 7-point Park Circus intersection. That has been brought to a standstill by protesters. This time from students from the Alia University in Calcutta. They are taking out this protest, and there is, of course, massive police bandobast. I will ask my camera person to show. The police tried to stop them so that the traffic doesn't come to a halt, but they failed. You can see senior police officials waiting here, but a human chain has been formed. I'll ask my camera person to show. A massive human chain has been formed by students of Alia University, and traffic has been completely thrown out of gear in Park Circus. This is the Park Circus intersection, very busy crossing, and students here have formed this human chain in protest against the Waqf Amendment Act. It's passed in the parliament right now, but the Muslim community furious. They're out on the street, most often in various other districts in West Bengal as well. We've seen protests in Malda, we've seen protests in Murshidabad, and now once again here in Kolkata, you can see somebody has put out this poster. It says Eden Garden Chhadbona Walk-off Bill Manbona. So there is anger, seething rage against the walk-off bill, and I've been trying to speak to them and ask them that this is no more a bill. This is the amendment bill has been passed in Parliament. This is a law. So how is it that they are not going to, follow it, because it's a rule of the law? But they are saying that they also have the legal protection to come out and protest. That right has been given to them by the Constitution, and therefore, what you do see, of course, Kolkata has been completely thrown out of control. This entire area, due to this human change, Park Circus 7-point crossing has been completely put out, has been completely brought to a standstill as traffic has been completely stalled. So no traffic movement for now. And there are protesters who are actually protesting and raising slogans against the central government. The police, of course, trying to pacify them and having a word with the organizers of this protest, mainly students of Kolkata's Alia University, to lift the blockade so that, traffic can move smoothly. But clearly, it's a Friday today. It's peak time, peak traffic time in the afternoon. And this very area, as you can see, this entire area is now clear at the center. But there's a massive human chain that has been formed by students, and the entire area has been no traffic. Each and every flank, I'll ask my camera person to show, every flank that has traffic has been blocked right now by the protesters. So no traffic movement right now, and the protesters have also sat here on a dharna at this very busy cross-section of the Park Circus crossing. I'll ask my camera person to now show you the visuals of these students who are adamant. How long are they going to protest here? How long are they going to hold the traffic on a busy Friday afternoon is a big question. But this is the visual that we are seeing, Sneha, from the streets of Kolkata.
From the streets of Kolkata, where pictures are coming in right now, what you see at this point in time is of protesters who are in fact demanding the repeal of the Waqf Act. The matter is pending in Supreme Court. In that sense, Indrajit, it's sub judice. Various groups, Muslim groups, political parties have gone to the court challenging this law, isn't it? Pictures, in fact, are right now, and we'll give that, put that out for our viewers, are from Lucknow city. So pictures essentially from Lucknow, protests in Mumbai and in Kolkata as well. Let's take a look. All right, pictures are coming in from Lucknow as well. We'll be going across to our reporters for more on that, but this has got to do with the disgruntlement rather against the Waqf Act essentially. Indrajit, I was telling you, or rather we were discussing on how in Mumbai, in fact, Waris Pathan being detained right now. Take a look at those pictures coming in. Waris Pathan has been detained, as you can see in these pictures. The AIMIM was also a part of these protests that were being held in Mumbai city. Waris Pathan detained. We also have pictures from Kolkata and Lucknow where protests against the Waqf Act are being held as we speak. If Indrajit is with us. Indrajit, we were talking about how this matter is also pending before the Apex Court, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. As I said, expect politics to play out over the next several weeks now, especially in states like West Bengal, where the Muslim population is substantial and the Muslim community is extremely vocal, about this issue. It clearly, I'm reminded of those days of the Citizenship Amendment Act when the CAA was brought and it was passed. We had seen similar, visuals across West Bengal. In fact, the ruling Trinamool Congress here in West Bengal has also lent their support, and they're opposing the Waqf Amendment, Act, which has now been passed in the Parliament. and every week, last week at the same location, and I will once again ask my camera person to pan and show what a big area this is. This is a very, very crucial intersection. The Park Circus 7-point intersection. 7 key roads converge here, and this is in between Central and South Kolkata. It's a busy day. It's a Friday today, and once again, the entire area, traffic has been completely thrown out of gear. Every flank that I can see, the traffic has been halted. The police, of course, is trying to have a word with these protesters. They are students of Kolkata's Alia University, and they are raising slogans against the Modi government at the center, against the BJP. They're saying that they do not, support this act, and they're not going to follow this. It's at a time when it has already been challenged by several opposition political parties, as you rightly mentioned, at the apex court. So the police, of course, giving them some time. Negotiations are underway. There are sporadic protests happening here and there. However, it's been peaceful so far. But as I said, how long will this blockade continue? Because last Friday, we saw similar scenes for about an hour. This entire intersection in South Kolkata was completely blocked. Traffic was completely thrown out of gear. You can see my camera person showing, the police is trying to police is trying to release some of the traffic from that side, but clearly that's being stopped here at this point in time. So big
Be
police
with us.
presence.
I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. We have to now go straight to these pictures coming in from Srinagar. On the extreme left side of your screen at this point in time, Srinagar, Lucknow, Kolkata and Mumbai, where protests against the Waqf law, the Waqf Act have broken out. In Mumbai, you see Waris Pathan of the AIM getting detained as well. In Kolkata, Srinagar, the protesters in Lucknow as well, detentions have followed, with the police trying to bring the law and order situation under control. This after the regular Friday prayers that happened, the protesters came out on the streets shouting slogans. Srinagar, Lucknow, Kolkata and Mumbai. Pictures are from different parts of the country where there is protests that have broken out against the controversial Waqf bill, which is now the Waqf Act and has been passed by Parliament with the assent also of the President in it is a law. Dev is with us, where protests have broken up in Jaipur, in Rajasthan. Dev, what do you see around you? Protests in different parts of the country and in Jaipur as well. Right. Okay, I'm being told that my colleague Sharat is with us. Sharat, इस समय प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं जयपुर में, जैसे कि लखनऊ से भी हम देख रहे हैं, कलकत्ता, मुंबई और श्रीनगर में भी वक्फ एक्ट के खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं। जयपुर में इस समय कैसा माहौल है, क्या बता सकते हैं आप?
देखिए, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ वक्फ बिल के खिलाफ जो मुस्लिम समाज है वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है। नमाज के बाद आज यहाँ पर भट्टा बस्ती में प्रोटेस्ट शुरू हुआ है। आप लोग किस चीज का विरोध कर रहे हैं? बिल तो पास हो गया है।
देखिए, बिल जो वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल जो 2024 संसद में पास हुआ है, हम इसके खिलाफ ही प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। इसकी रिट हमारे बैरिस्टर जो हैं सदर साहब असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब, इनकी तरफ से सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लगाई जा चुकी है और हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हमारी सुनवाई होगी और अमेंडमेंट में वापस बदलाव होंगे। और जैसा कि हम लोग चाह रहे थे कि वक्फ की जायदाद जो है वो मुसलमानों के पास ही रहे, इंशाल्लाह वैसा ही होगा।
लेकिन अब जो बिल पास हो गया है तो अब प्रोटेस्ट करके क्या करोगे आप लोग?
नहीं, तो संसद में बिल पास हो गया तो, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो हाजिर है ही, तो हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में रिट लगाइए। हमें पूरी उम्मीद है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हमारी सुनवाई होगी।
अलग अलग संगठन है यहाँ पर जयपुर में, कल उन्होंने अलग प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए कहा है, आप लोग अलग कर रहे हो?
ये हमारी पार्टी की तरफ से है, राजस्थान AIM की तरफ से ये प्रोटेस्ट किया जा रहा है। अलग अलग संगठन है, माशाल्लाह सभी लोग अपनी तरफ से पूरी पुरजोर कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सभी लोग पुरजोर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। इंशाल्लाह हमारी सुनवाई होगी और ये अमेंडमेंट जो पास हुए हैं ये वापस किए जाएंगे।
उसमें बीजेपी सरकार कह रहा है कि हम जो गरीब हैं, महिलाएं हैं, उनके शिक्षा में ये जो वक्त की संपत्तियां हैं या संसाधन उसको लगाएंगे।
बीजेपी सरकार ही एक्चुअली आप लोगों को समझा नहीं पाएगी किसी को भी किस तरह से लगाएंगे। बीजेपी सरकार का ये कहना है, जो ये जो बेवकूफ बनाने वाली जो तरकीब है बीजेपी सरकार की, ये इस तरह से है कि बीजेपी कहती है कि पहले इसमें महिलाएं नहीं थी वक्फ बोर्ड में, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। पहले भी महिलाएं रही हैं, वक्फ के चेयरमैन भी महिलाएं रही हैं और किस तरह से ये महिलाओं को आगे बढ़ाने की बात कर रहे हैं। क्योंकि पहले जो पुराना जो वक्फ बोर्ड का जो कानून था उसमें था कि 2 या उससे अधिक महिलाएं वक्फ बोर्ड में रह सकती हैं। नए कानून के तहत सिर्फ 2 कर दिया, अधिक वाला शब्द ही हटा दिया गया है। तो ये कैसे महिलाओं को सशक्तिकरण की बातें कर रहे हैं? ये बेवकूफ बनाया जा रहा है और कुछ नहीं है सरासर।
आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह से यहाँ जयपुर में बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं निकले हैं भट्टा बस्ती में, जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं वक्फ बिल के खिलाफ। और इस तरह से जयपुर में कई तरह के प्रदर्शनों का सिलसिला जुलाई तक के लिए तय किया गया है। जी,
Sharath is getting asked those details from Jaipur at this point in time. Sharath, जैसे प्रोटेस्ट अभी इस समय हो रहा है उसके अगर विजुअल्स अगर आप हमें दिखा सकते हैं, कई सारे लोग जो है सड़कों पर उतर आए हैं। शरथ
जी, आपको दिखाना चाहेंगे हम एक बार कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर सड़कों पर प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है और ये लोग अपने हाथों में तख्तियां लिए हुए इस तरह से सड़क पर निकल कर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि वक्फ बिल को कैसे जो इनकी नाराजगी है वक्फ बिल के खिलाफ उसको प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए। और भट्टा बस्ती में ये कार्यक्रम रखा गया है और इस तरह से ये ओवैसी साहब की पार्टी की तरफ से है प्रदर्शन। जो दूसरे संगठन हैं वो अलग अलग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और इस तरह से ये मार्च कर रहे हैं। इस मोहल्ले में अलग अलग जो गलियां हैं वहां घूम घूम कर अपना प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। जी,
Sharath getting asked those pictures from Jaipur at this point in time against the Waqf bill, the Waqf Act, which has been passed in Parliament and has the assent of the President as well. Pictures are from Lucknow, Kolkata, Mumbai, Srinagar and Jaipur, where protests are currently underway. शरद, इस समय ये जो मामला है ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी पेंडिंग है पीआईएल के तौर पे। एक नहीं कई सारे ऐसे पीआईएल्स हैं जो कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये मैटर पेंडिंग है, लेकिन ये प्रोटेस्ट जो कि है कंटिन्यू हो रहे हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, ये जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक में मामला गया है और संसद से पास हो गया है। ये इस प्रोटेस्ट के जरिए आप किस पर अब दबाव डालना चाह रहे हो?
प्रोटेस्ट के जरिए हम कोर्ट को भी ये बताना चाह रहे हैं, हम सारी जनता को ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि ये जो बिल पास किया गया है ये सरासर गलत है, गैर कानूनी बिल है। हमारे सदर बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब ने संसद में बिल को फाड़ा है और ये हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अच्छे से अच्छी सुनवाई हो इसकी, क्योंकि कानूनन ये बिल्कुल सरासर गलत है। क्योंकि दूसरे बोर्डों की अगर हम बात करें और हमारे वक्फ बोर्ड की बात करें तो बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस इसमें डाले गए हैं जो कि हमारे वक्फ बोर्ड के बिल्कुल खिलाफ है।
इस तरह से आप प्रोटेस्ट जयपुर में कब्रिस्तान तक पहुंच गए हैं ये लोग और इस तरह से नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के खिलाफ, बीजेपी सरकार के खिलाफ। जी,
Sharath getting asked those details from Jaipur at this point in time. Pictures are from Lucknow as well in Srinagar, where there are protests that are broken out in different parts of the country after the Friday press. Essentially, the demand is that this act be repealed and that this is against the Muslim community, is what members from the community are saying. Launching a protest in different parts of the country in a way spontaneous in that sense. The anti-Waqf bill protest in Kolkata, where Muslims are protesting after the Friday press. Take a look at this report. Anupam sent us from Kolkata.
ये जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, अब ये देखिए बैरिकेडिंग के पास पहुंच गए हैं स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें महिलाएं भी हैं और लड़के भी हैं और लगातार ये बैरिकेडिंग के पास आकर देखिए बैरिकेडिंग के पास थोड़ा सा धक्का मुक्की भी शुरू हो चुकी है। बैरिकेडिंग तोड़ने की भी कोशिश हो रही है छात्रों की ओर से और ये बैरिकेडिंग लगभग तोड़ दी गई, बैरिकेडिंग तोड़ दी गई और छात्र पार्क सर्कस के इलाके की ओर प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं, पार्क सर्कस इलाके की ओर कूच कर रहे हैं। बैरिकेडिंग पुलिस की तोड़ दी गई है यहाँ पर और पार्क सर्कस में इस वक्त जो 7 पॉइंट क्रॉसिंग है, जो छात्र हैं वो इस वक्त 7 पॉइंट क्रॉसिंग की ओर जा रहे हैं और पुलिस यहाँ रोकने में उनको कामयाब नहीं हो पाई है और यहाँ पर छात्र अब पार्क सर्कस जो क्रॉसिंग है वहां पर आ गए हैं।